Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Math Circle. So, today we are going to see a distribution called uniform distribution. Let's see what is that. So, uniform distribution. Definition: a continuous random variable. It is called CRB, continuous random variable. Is said to be uniform distribution over the interval below the interval AB if its PDF means probability density function. Probability density function. Probability density function. That is called 2DX is given by how it is given. It is given by Fx is equal to 1 upon b minus a if x varying from within table A to B 0 else 0. Okay. So if we want to draw the graph of what is the graph of fx, what is that? The graph is this like this. On closed interval a b, the function is value is that is 1 upon b minus a, and elsewhere it is 0. So this is the graph of probability density function for uniform distribution. Okay. So let's see other things. Note that or check that or slash verify that fx is a PDF, probability density function is formed. So first property, what is first property? For being a PDF, it should be non-negative. So what is fx? Fx is this 1 upon b minus a. If x varying into 0 L. Okay. So here, what is we have? We have b is greater than a. So obviously, so this implies fx is greater than equal to 0 for x belongs to b. Second one, the summation minus infinity to plus infinity fx dx should be 1. Let's check it. So what is that? So minus infinity to infinity fx dx. We can dissolve this integral in minus to a fx dx plus a to b fx dx plus b to fx dx. So what is this? Here fx is 0. So this is a to b. What is this? 1 upon b minus a dx plus b to infinity. This is 0. So this is 0 and this is integral 1 upon b minus a will come out a to b dx and this is 0. So what will be this? After solving it, what will be this? 1 upon b minus a. Integral will be x, limit a to b. So that is 1 upon b minus a. That is b minus a. So this is 1. So this implies minus infinity to infinity fx dx is equal to. So this implies, in fact, fx is a p dx. Okay, so this is p dx. Not for any sub-interval CD, we have C is in this thing. We have probability of C less than equal to capital F that is less than equal to B is equal to minus this is to be fx dx. So what will be this? C will be 1 upon B minus A dx. So 1 upon B minus A C to D and this is dx. So after solving it, what you will get? Upon t minus a x t to b. That is t minus t of t. Okay, so this is the answer. So next we are going to find CDF, cumulative density function. This is called CDF. So we are going to calculate CDF of uniform distribution. Okay. So, so uniform distribution over closed interval AB is denoted by QAB. Is denoted by it. If we write X like this, that means X has uniform distribution over closed interval AB. Now we calculate CDF. So CDF means what? CDF is denoted by capital XX. So that what is that? Minus infinity to infinity. CDF is given by this way. How it is given? It is given by probability minus infinity less than x less than equal to small x. And what is the formula for this? It is minus infinity to x fx dx. We can write y here. So what will be this? So it will be 0 if x is less than a. It will be x minus a upon b minus a if x is in this range. One if x is greater than equal to b. Okay, you can check it because fx is less than limit will be x is less than. In this case, fx will be 0, and if x is in this way, limit will be x. So this will be this, and if it is greater than equal to, it will be integral a to b. That will give value 1. So this is the answer. So this is the uniform distribution. Okay. So today we lecture up to this. We will meet you in next lecture. Like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any problem, you can comment on my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you.